Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable Smart Panel on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. The Smart Panel allows users to perform tasks more efficiently and enhance their productivity. Instead of searching for specific settings or toggle in the device settings menu, users can quickly access them from the Smart Panel, saving time and effort. Well, and then how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, select display option here. And then in this page, you can scroll down. Well, after that, you can select Edge Panels here. Okay, and then you can activate it by pressing this button. Well, next you can customize it in this menu. And then, here you can select one of several options which will be the look of your Smart Panel. And I will choose Applications here. Then here you can also edit the arrangement of the apps. Okay, after that, tap on the application which will appear on the Smart Panel on your device. Or you can remove it like this. Okay, last you can exit. So now the Smart Panel on your device is successfully active. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable Smart Panel on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.